Alright, let's find out how to find the equation of the normal line to a curve at a given point P. Say we have a curve given by the equation y equals f of x. Also, we are given a normal line at the point P with coordinates x1, y1. It's a given point also. Remember that a normal line, it's a straight line which is perpendicular to a tangent line. So actually the steps for finding the equation of the normal line, they're pretty similar to steps for finding the equation of the tangent line. Here they are. The first one, you need to find the slope of the tangent line at the point P. Let's call it M, and it's just the value of the derivative f prime at the point x1. Second step, you need to find the slope of the normal line at P. Let's call it M1, and it's gonna be just the negative inverse of the slope, negative 1 over M. And the reason behind this is just known fact that the product of M and M1 equals negative 1 from the geometry. And finally, the last step is to actually write the equation of the normal line at the given point P using the following equation. So we are going to use point normal formula for a straight line, which is y minus y1 equals m1 times x minus x1, where x1 and y1 they are coordinates of the given point, and m1 is just this slope of the normal line. Now let's have a look at example. Say we need to find the equation of the normal line to a curve to x squared minus 4x plus 5 at the given point 2, 5. Alright. Now let's begin with the derivative, which is 4x minus 4, since you are given a basic quadratic function and you need to use a power rule. Now at the point 2.5 we can find the slope n by taking this 2 and plug it in for x. So it's going to be 4 times 2 minus 4, which simplifies to 4. That's going to be your slope, or m. Now we're almost there. Let's grab this equation and plug in everything what we know. So x1 and your y1 is 2 and 5. And m1 is gonna be negative 1 over 4. So remember, your slope is 4. So m1, the slope for normal, is gonna be negative inverse 1 over 4. Let's plug in all of these numbers and simplify the equation. So it becomes y minus 5 equals negative a quarter times x minus 2. And you want to just distribute everything out and collect like terms in order to get your equation in this form of y equals mx plus b. So by distributing a negative a quarter to this parenthesis, so we will get negative a quarter x plus a half on the right side, keeping the left side as is at this point. And now we want to move negative 5 to the right side by adding 5 to both sides of your equation. So we can get rid of 5 on the left side, and on the right side we need to combine a half and a 5. So your final answer is gonna be y equals negative a quarter x plus 11 over 2, and this is slope-intercept form. Also, you can rearrange your equation into the general form if you don't want to have these fractions involved. So it's gonna be x plus 4y minus 22 equals 0, and the general form for any straight lines is ax plus by plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c just a constant numbers. So as a quick recap, for finding normal lines, we are using this point normal formula. So y minus y1 equals m1 times x minus x1. Okay, there are some problems to carry out.